Yeah, they don't have a stinger.
That's a drone.
And what does that mean, a drone?
It's a male. That's all he does. He can't even sting you. He ain't got the equipment.
So what's his job?
To breed the females, to breed
okay.
the queens.
And that's a drone.
That's a drone.
Honeybees. Making honey.
So we're looking for the queen. That's my shipment.
Is it?
Yeah. Looking for the queen right here. She's not on this one yet. I don't see any babies. Looking on this one. She shouldn't be on this one. There's no babies on this one yet either. Move right on to the next frame. We just installed these Saturday evening. This is Thursday. This is all raw foundation. Nothing was drawn out. They're doing a good job. This is heavy. She's gonna be on this one. Bunch of babies, I see a bunch of babies. Bunch of eggs. See all the pollen they got in there. It's just the yellow. See it down in there good now.
Find it yet?
Not yet. I got eggs on this
What's that
side.
one? That's a drone?
Yeah, that's a
Big
drone.
one.
I have eggs on this side. See, this bee here has all the pollen on its legs.
Yeah.
Please don't.
He flew off. Is that her right there?
Yep.
Huh? There's a lot of bees.
There she is.
She's crawling underneath the rest of them, huh? So how often you gotta do that? You just checking to make sure they're...
Yeah, I'm just making sure that they got out of the trap. Where'd it go? The trap. I'm making sure they got out of those, and they've already started laying. Now, in 21 days, all these eggs that she's laid will be more bees.
Yeah.
So in 3 weeks, this hive will be slap packed full of bees.
So what do? Take a tray out and put it in an empty box or two?
Well, you put them in a nuke. A nuke's just half of this, 5 frames.
Yeah.
But you need, they'll make their own queen, but you have to have...
What's that right there?
That's a drone.
That's a big one too. Look at it.
So you have to come over here and whatever frame you're using to like make a split with, it has to have eggs in it, just like this.
Yeah.
And so then the bees, they will turn one of these into a queen. The only difference between this egg and a queen egg is a queen egg gets more royal jelly.
Oh, okay. You get the best of the food.
That's right.
Look at him. He got his head down in the hole.
Yep, packing in pollen or honey.
It's pretty cool.
So there's the queen again.
A pile of bees.